So I had a pleasant surprise yesterday. FedEx showed up. They actually delivered my ultrasonic cleaner about 12 days early. Now for the unboxing of the no-name ultrasonic cleaner. But does it work? Yes, it does. Alright, so I did some more shopping. I got myself some Chem Dip carburetor parts cleaner, and I got some simple green. So mix that with water, like 1 to 10 or something like that. I'll read the instructions later. Also bought piece of galvanized sheet metal. It's a little thick, but it's the thinnest they sold, so I'm just gonna recreate this thing. I'll trace around it, flatten it out, trace around it, drill some holes, grind it around, and make a new one. It'll be definitely heavier, but I don't even think you can get this anymore. This thing is really super thin too. The choke clutch assembly baffle plate. And it shouldn't interfere with the choke clutch assembly, because if you notice, the only thing this does is it holds the retention spring, and that's it. Moves it around. It can be thick or thin, just depends on how easy it is to create one. So whatever that thing is, I had to redo it. Alright, so this obviously isn't big enough for the car parts, so I'm just going to pour it in here after putting all the parts in. So you have to take the whole thing apart, put it in their little basket, and dip it into the gallon container. We have another one, comes with a pin, so I'm just going to break that off. Now this looks used, like from another engine. So it's really dirty. Let that soak overnight. We're well on our way. I guess we'll do something else in the meantime. Let's go ahead and create that buffer plate. I was looking around online, but you know, they wanted to sell the whole carburetor for about 200 bucks, and it's like, nah. So I went down to Lowe's, got some 30 gauge steel, galvanized, for about $1.67, and did it myself. You know, this might have been soldered. Alright. I don't know if you can see, I traced out the buffer plate for the clutch. The choke clutch assembly baffle plate. A little bit higher gauge. So let's cut this out and then start shaping it. Don't forget to wear safety glasses. Well, I don't have a vise, so I'll just grind it on there. I'm not impressed at all with this Dremel. I just never assumed that parts are put together properly. Used to be. Alright, so I was able to drill a couple holes in here. Now I need to make a little cut from one hole to the other. Fortunately, precision is not required in that case, just enough to get the choke clutch assembly arm to move back and forth. The choke clutch assembly baffle plate. So fortunately it doesn't require precision. So it's pretty rough, but it's better than the piece it was, and it works. Let's see how it fits. So it's got a slot right there that goes flat. Goes flat. So it only took maybe 45 minutes to cut this out and drill the holes, bend it up, hammer it real nice, sand it down, make it smooth. I know it probably would have been faster if I just got some cheap metal scissors and cut it out easily, but I didn't want to buy those. I don't do that much.
Alright. That works pretty good. Alright. And it only cost $1.76.
So if you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, and share. And we'll keep doing this till that boat gets done and in the water, alright? Thanks a lot.